I'm Alan Bonville.
This is Yolanda Bona.
And today is day 5 of the Civil Rights Fast. Today I feel very weak again. The headaches have pretty much gone away that I've had in previous days, but I literally, wake up, shower, have a little bit of energy, fall back asleep or just lay down, and I'm extremely bored. I try to read, and I've been reading some books, but my attention span is very short. My body has started to give off a lot of toxins, so I smell horrible, and I've been showering or taking baths 3 to 5 times a day. My sense of smell is increased, is heightened, so the candles that I liked a couple days ago, I can't even stand anymore. I can't stand anything. Of course, I'm still having food cravings. I'm not sure if that's going to ever go away during this. But I want the senator to file the American Equality Bill. I want people to call their senators and their congresspeople. I want people to agitate, shut down offices, intersections, write letters, make phone calls, harass. Nothing ever happens in this country unless the people rise up to make it happen. One of the things I said yesterday I should clarify too is I was talking about organizations that are complacent with the status quo right now. They're like the NAACP or the ACLU, who are trying to reinforce this piecemeal strategy that our own movement has embraced, which is a failed strategy, always has been, always will be. It doesn't give us the dignity that we deserve. I had said that the oppressor becomes the oppressed, and of course I was confusing my words. I was tired. I meant to say it's interesting to see when the oppressed become the oppressor, which I think is what's happened in this situation, where large organizations that have fought, have fought for civil rights, to include what it includes today, are completely turning their back to their own LGBT people, who represent all races, creeds, nationalities, national origins, I should say, genders. Which is extremely sad, and I would hope that people reach out to those organizations like the NAACP and the ACLU. I actually have an email chain from the ACLU showing their ridiculous position on this, with their president, actually, that I'll be releasing to everyone to review, as well as having heard Ben Jealous, the president of the NAACP, talk in circles about our equality, and it's very sad. But I hope people vision towards where we can go if we are a full and equal people. What that really means for LGBT people and for society in general, when people no longer bully us, harass us, discriminate against us. People are always afraid to expand democracy, but there's no reason that they should be afraid. Even if it's something that you don't agree with, a gay person, what you would call their lifestyle, of course what we would call our orientation. That doesn't mean that you should go into a ballot box or do anything to thwart them being equal. These same arguments were used by people fighting black people from getting equality, and women. It's the same groups of people, and they're no better than the KKK, anybody who would say that we are not, LGBT people are not equal. This is a secular democracy. It's not a religious state, and if it were, it would be a nightmare. So you can't legislate from your religious views, because this is a country free for religion as well. It's very scary, but I have hope. I have hope that people will continue to rise up, and not so much give people thumbs up who are doing the work, but do the work themselves and be part of the solution. It's an amazing feeling. It really is an amazing feeling to stand up and use one's own voice. It's empowering. It breaks through every barrier that you think exists between you and your government. And I would strongly urge everybody who hears this message to do one more thing, and one more thing, for your rights, for your family's rights, for your friends' rights.
Thank you.